We're now ready to start creating our master files. The first one we're going to start out with are vendors. So let's select transactions and vendors. Now here's a list of all our vendors, and I'm going to pick one like True. So because I've highlighted this column, you can see the plus sign. That's what my search is on. If I highlight this column, my search is here. If I highlight this column, I'm looking for phone numbers. So with the vendor name, and I type a part of it, TRUE, then I'm going to go ahead and just take a look at what we have there for that. So under our general, this is the vendor information and what my terms are, my credit limit, etc. And then under my details, I can modify by hitting edit, and I can change the value in any of these fields, such as my credit limits, my phone numbers, etc. Okay. Then the next field is going to be my contacts. Now my contacts are the individual people in the True organization, the parts department, the retail and display department, technical support. This is their information. So if I go ahead and hit edit on any of these, you'll see this is how we create these individual contacts within the company. For addresses, we can set unique addresses up. So let's say if we want our check payments, we could set up who the vendor's name is, contact is the business name, and we can say this is the address we want our main correspondence to go to. This is the address where all our purchase orders go to. This is the address where our return merchandise authorization goes to. And this is the PO or lockbox where we send our payments to. So these addresses can be grouped together by these categories. Under notes, we have any specific notes. Let me click save here and make sure we got no notes here right now, but if we wanted to add a note, we could put in a description and whatever note that we wanted for follow-up. So this could be information if you talk to somebody in the receivable department there and you told them that you were cutting check deposits for equipment, etc. That information could be stored here in our notes. Documents. These are documents that the vendors or manufacturers or whatever can supply. You have here for this particular manufacturer who sells reach-in refrigerators, etc. Here's a copy of their warranty. So if I click view, I'll get a chance to see what their warranty is, and I could print it out for my customer. Vendor incentives. This is for the positive for restaurant equipment. This is a place where manufacturers will give rebate or kickbacks to the companies who buy product for them. So they're saying here, if you spend from this to this, we should get a 2% rebate from the manufacturer. Okay. So let's go back to one other feature for the kitchen equipment people. If I hit edit here, there's a thing called buyer group. And what a buyer group does is it allows you to set up a vendor name and address. So when you purchase something from a primary vendor, but you want to cut your check to the buyer group, if you say that this particular transaction the check goes to the buyer group. All your information on the purchase and everything will be under the vendor, but when you're cutting checks, the checks will be payable to the buyer group. Okay, so that's how we set up vendors and all the features within those vendors. Thank you.